Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing good. If you're not doing good, you better be doing good because now my video is here to make you happy. And if it's the first time here, you're very welcome. If it's not your first time here, thank you for coming back to watch my video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new upload. So today I will be transforming myself into Blackpink Lisa. You're probably wondering, where is the resemblance? What is the resemblance? Not to worry, not to worry. So you guys know I'm a Blackpink fan, and Lisa is my favorite, or also one of my favorite. And I've always wanted to do something else on my channel, not just music reaction. And I was thinking of, whoa, why not just transform yourself into a K-pop idol, right? Like, come on, I want to be a Kpop idol one day. It's not possible, I'm already like too old for it. But anyway, so today I'll be doing like a makeup inspired by her. And I would also be transforming. So we're going to be like dressing like her. So it's kind of like, it's not going to be exactly the same thing. We're going to go for like the same style that she's actually going for. So I noticed that she already has her base done. So I'm just going to like quickly go off camera and have my foundation on my face. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade 420, but I don't think you guys even need to know that. Also, one thing guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but my neck is very, very dark. So can you guys give me like remedy, like natural remedy, or not even natural remedy, like what I can do to like brighten up my neck, because my neck is so dark, and you guys can see that my chest is like very light. I've been battling with this like all my life. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I also did my brows off camera. So I didn't clean the brows, I just kind of like just filled it in, because I noticed that, like, you know, with K-pop idol, they tend to do like less is more, and I don't think I've really seen them with like a well highlighted brow. Guys, I have dark circles, and in a way I feel like my under eye is not like 100% covered. So I'm just going to go with like a very little concealer, and I'm using the LA Girl concealer. And that is just going to be the only highlight that I'm going to do. Almost like she already set everything in place. Okay, so now let's see what next she's doing.
머리가 약간 빨간 빛이 들어가가지고 색깔 두 개를 섞여가지고 좋아.
So that is done. My lips is dry. Just gonna put this on my lips, guys. So this is like the Fenty gloss bomb. Alright. Okay. Guys, so she's going in to do like her bangs, and I cannot do my bangs, guys. Am I in focus? Yes. So I don't have any wig that is like the color of the wig that she has that has bangs. So let's just pretend like the hair is in place, and let's keep that going.
오케이. 아주 중요한 포인트, 섀도우입니다.
섀도우입니다.
근데 리사 메이크업은 생각보다 간단해요. 쉬워요, 진짜. 여러분, 완전.
I have to like choose between these two because I'm darker, so I might end up using this one. And she says the makeup is like very basic, very simple, and I actually think it is.
쓸 것 같아요. 완전 얇게 펴 발라야 돼요. 안도는 가운데만 살짝만 발라주시면 돼요. 섀도우 발랐고 라인.
And I am so happy to like be doing like a makeup from like this video, because you guys know I have hooded eyes, and all my life I've been told that I have Asian type of eyes, and I'm so happy to be doing this because for once I feel like I can actually achieve something that is similar. For those of you who are going to be like, it's kind of different, guys, she is way lighter than I am. So on my skin, obviously, the color payoff is just going to be different. So now let's see what's next.
살짝만 발라주시면 돼요. 섀도우 발랐고 라인 완전 검정색 집중하면서.
So we're going to jet black liner.
말 시키지 마세요.
Okay, so she's doing it into a tear dot, guys. And She made a mistake.
어떡해 이거 너가
어떡해.
나를 들어줄 수 없는 건데 내가 알아서 살려야 되는데 이거 어떡해요?
Okay.
아 진짜 미쳤어 진짜 제 눈이 짝짝이에요. 이쪽 쌍꺼풀이 더 두껍고 얘가 더 얇아요. 그래서 라인 그릴 때 이쪽을 티 안 나게 살짝 더 두껍게 그리는 편이에요.
Slightly
그리고
thicker.
일자로
So
뺄
the
거예요.
so that the tip
일자로
is good.
주세요. 내리지 말고 일자로.
Tip.
너무 두껍게 그렸나? 자 이제
이제는
섀도우랑
to the
라인이랑
eyeshadow.
연결시키게 그라데이션처럼
Graduation
해볼게요.
technique.
섀도우를 이렇게 두 개 섞여서 할 겁니다. 아주
These two
조금
shadows.
털고 얘는 진짜 조금 찍어야 돼요. 왜냐면 색깔이 너무 진해가지고 잘못 바르면
Okay. So, guys, I think I understand the technique she's going for. So, after applying the liner, she is now going to take an eyeshadow color that is like sort of like the color of the liner she has, or like a brownish color, and then she's now going to go ahead, use that and apply that on the lid, just to kind of give it like a gradient and give it like a less sharp effect. So I don't know what color I could pick. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow color, this one right here, because that's the closest, and I'm going to use that. I think I'm using like the wrong brush, guys. I need to look at the brush she's using for a second.
얘는 진짜 조금 찍어야 돼요. 왜냐면 색깔이 너무 진해가지고
Okay.
잘못 바르면 망칠 수 있어요.
Okay guys, so I have a better brush now that I'm going to use. I have a better brush for blending. So now I'm going to go back and dab on the color. And now we're going to just apply that. And we'll blend in it. Guys, I feel like this makeup look is just so simple that on my dark skin it's almost like I have nothing going on. Honestly. What next are we doing, Lisa?
잘 따라오고 계시나요? 아직은 끝이 아닙니다. 애교살 위에서
We move to the under
발라야죠.
eye. Okay, now we're doing the
컬
eye.
살짝 하고
Okay.
털고 여기 앞부분만 발라줄 겁니다. 그리고 안더도 해야죠. 이렇게. 오, 좀 고양이 눈 같아. 자, 이제
Wait, the
여기
second guys.
앞부분만 발라줄 겁니다.
Alright.
그리고 안더도 해야죠. 이렇게.
Okay guys, so I think what she did was, first of all, under her eye she went with like a bright color, and then she went with a black eye pencil. So that is what I am going to be doing right now. Hope I do it well.
금색 펄
I think I'm going to go with
털고
this
여기 앞부분만
creamish color right here.
그리고 안더도 해야죠.
And we're gonna put that under my eye.
오, 좀 고양이 눈 같아. 자, 이제 여기 앞부분만 발라줄 겁니다. 그리고 안더도 해야죠. 이렇게.
오.
좀 고양이 눈 같아. 자, 이제 제가 제일 좋아하는 거 바로 쉐이딩입니다.
Shading.
싹 이렇게 싹 깎을 거예요, 진짜. 제가 너무 쉐이딩을 너무 좋아해가지고 욕심이 많아요.
Oh, so we're not doing contour, guys. We're not doing cream contour. We're just going to go in with a bronzer, and that is it. To contour my face, or to bronze out my face, because I don't think she's contouring, she's actually bronzing out. I'm going to be using the NYX matte bronzer.
혹시나 모르니까 이마 마지막 단계 바로 립스틱.
Oh no. Oh my god, guys, like basically she has bronzer on, but it's almost like she has no bronzer on. So I actually chose the NYX one because it's like so subtle. Pretty much doesn't show on my skin. Okay, so I have bronzed out my face. Guys, this makeup look is so natural looking. I don't think I've ever had like a look that is this natural looking. And She didn't do anything to her eyes, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on my eyelid because, guys, I don't even have eyelashes. So I'm just going to put that before we go to do our lips. Guys, so she's going for like an orange lips, and I do not have it in liquid, so I have my lipstick. So I'm just going to apply that on my lips. Oh my god, guys. What do you guys think? Do you think this... I feel like it looks more flattering on her, because normally when I put this on, this is from Kiko, by the way, I always make sure that I you know, not contour, I always like line my lips, and this is the first time that I'm doing it without like a line. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for the makeup. It's just like a very simple, natural makeup. Do I like it? Yes, I do. Like, if I was to do this, the only thing I feel like I would change is just like, you know, line my lips before having the lipstick on. Other than that, like, I think it's super cute. And yeah, so now we're going to go and, you know, change into our outfit. Mind you guys, like, my outfit is not like exactly what she have, but like, you know, I was able to like pick up things from my closet that is like kind of like clothes and similar. So I'm going to go change, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
라이크 눌러주시고요.
I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section if you have other outfit or other makeup that you want me to try to create on my own dark melanin coated skin. Let me know in the comment section. Maybe you can give me like, I don't know, like send me the link. If it's just like a main picture, then maybe just follow me on Instagram and then send me the picture on my DM, and I'll be sure to recreate it. And if you guys like this kind of video, then I am going to like do more of it, and maybe this time around try to invest more. You know, I could just buy like a synthetic wig, and you know, that has bangs like Lisa, and do something more creative and more similar next time. So with that said, let's end this video right here. Please subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. God bless you, and I hope you like the end of this whole video and like the review. Bye.